Alright, fans, here we go. What's up, people? Alright, fans, here we go. Before we begin. That one's kind of hard.
Yeah.
You know this, right?
Yeah, we came through here.
You need my stick?
Huh?
Need my stick for just a minute? You got it?
We'll make it.
All right. If he gets up first, it's easier and he can pull you. That's what I saw those last couple do. Alright, fans. Here we are. This is insanity. Totally insane. I don't know what I'm doing. It's crazy. Alright, see this cute little waterfall? This is sick. About knee deep. Alright. This guy said there's another sweet waterfall coming up. Okay, we can do this. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Wow. That's pretty freaking cool. See that? About waist deep. That's nuts. Woo! Ow! That's crazy. I think you can go up here, so let's sneak up here. If I fall, nice knowing y'all. That's pretty cool. That's insane. Snuck up there. What's up, waterfall? Cool. Action.